how to make a prescription. So you open the patient's file in chart and you click on prescription. On prescription, you can choose in between different kinds of prescription. And I'm going to explain to you the difference in between all these different templates. So let's say in case of acute infection, I have a preset prescription with vitamin, antibiotics, and anti-inflammatory. This is not allowed by NABID. Don't you do that. You need to add the medicines one after the other to be compliant with NABID. So don't use preset prescription. It's not working. What you can do for this kind of prescription, bicarbonate powder, hydrogen peroxide, glycerin, and all that, that you can do it. This is compliant with NABID, but not the other one with the medicines. So you need to work on a blank prescription. On the blank prescription, you go here, and here you go to all the medicine you have. Let's say antibiotics. You take these antibiotics, you just click once, and it comes here. You want to put antihistaminic, you click once, and it comes under with a space in between. So it's very easy to do, very simple. You have to set up your list, but then you need to add one by one. And this is fully compliant with NABID in this way. You can save and print or save and send.